Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Sekolah Menengah Imtiaz Yayasan Terengganu Besut. Today we would like to share our product, namely KutsuFan, an automatic portable shoe dryer using sensor and programmed by Arduino to control the drying process.
What is KutsuFan? Kutsu means shoes in Japanese. We chose the word Kutsu because we know that Japan is well known for their cleanliness culture. Fan is the main component of this product.
These are the problem statements. First of all, during rainy season, people, especially athletes, will find it difficult to dry their shoes faster in the most efficient way. Their shoes will become sludgy.
The second one is bacterial reproduction may occur and it may cause some diseases such as dermatitis, ringworm and impetigo.
The last one, as all of us know, boxes are commonly used in packaging, especially online shopping. According to our research, in the United States alone, 850 million tons of papers and cardboards are thrown away annually.
What are the objectives? Firstly, we want to help the athletes drying the sludgy and wet shoes in more efficient way.
Secondly, we wanted to foster awareness about self-hygiene, especially about cleanliness of shoes.
Thirdly, we'd like to encourage the use of artificial intelligence and automation technologies in everyday life in the IR 4.0 era and support SDG 9, build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation.
Lastly, we can save our Mother Earth by reusing some materials that takes many years to dispose.
Proper solution and why it is better. For your information, KutsuFan is portable so it is easy to carry on everywhere and anywhere. Furthermore, KutsuFan is an automatic shoe dryer and it is convenient for all the societies to buy since it is offering reasonable cost. KutsuFan is also providing smooth ventilation.
The applications and softwares that we use are Tinkercad and Arduino.
So, the components that we will use to create KutsuFan are LCD display, Arduino, the HD11 sensor, DC fan, and used box.
So here's the budget.
Here's how KutsuFan will work. This automatic shoe dryer uses direct current such as power bank or any other batteries as source of energy. When wet shoes inserted to this automatic shoe dryer, the HD11 sensor will detect the humidity and temperature of the shoes. Those information will appear at LCD display. If humidity reaches 40% and above, DC fan will automatically spinning and LED light will turn to green color. Thus, the drying process starts. The drying process will continue and the humidity decrease along the process. When the humidity reaches below than 40%, fan will automatically stop spinning and LED light will turn off. These indicate that the drying process is complete.
KutsuFan not only give positive impact on students and athletes who wear shoes frequently, but also to all sorts of life because the usage is not limited to sport shoes only.
Also, the environment will become less polluted by the cardboard waste because we use the box as the material of this product. Last but not least, reasonable price can also make it affordable to all.
Thank you. See you again.